as a captain, it is important for me, and this is also my personality as a cricketer, that I love to do my preparations, whether it's watching videos, even as a batter. In batting, you can't plan as much because it's more of a reaction to what the bowler does. But I want to know what all the bowler have in their armory. Like, do they have slow ball? Do they have bouncer, yorkers? And I like to analyze all those things and just react once I go there. So I like to prepare, and I think it's the same thing with captaincy. But I think once I step on the field, I'll just let my instincts take over, because I think sometimes you got to trust your gut feeling and just go with what's right. The decisions may go right, may not go right, but I think it's important for me to know that what I did was with the right intention, and at the same time, it was what my gut said. And yeah, I'll just keep learning from there. I think we've seen what the WPL has done. We've got some extraordinary cricketers from the WPL. I think you would have seen the standout in our World Cup. And from last time's WPL, the third season's WPL, the standout have been uh, Charini and Kranti. I think they are the WPL's products. So it's great to see the kind of last 6 months they have had, I think, or 6, 7 months they have had. They've already won a World Cup. So it's been great to see the kind of growth that's going to happen. And with every year, what I've experienced is just keeps getting better and better. And it's not just for the youngsters coming up. Actually, it's also for the experienced players, because the kind of quality games and the kind of quality matches you play here, I think that just makes you after every season come out as a better cricketer. And I think that's what this WPL has done, and it's going to do. And I can't wait to see the rise of women's cricket in India and also all over the world.